Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a topic that has been debated for many years, whether real estate is still a good investment in 2023. Real estate has always been a popular investment option, but in recent times there have been many changes in the market that have left people wondering if it's still worth investing in. In this video, we will look at the current state of the real estate market and try to answer the question, is real estate still a good investment in 2023? Market overview. Let's start by looking at the current state of the real estate market. Over the past year, the real estate market has seen significant growth due to the low interest rates and the rise in demand for homes. The pandemic has also played a role in this growth, with people looking for larger homes with more outdoor space. The rise in remote work has also allowed people to move to less crowded areas, further fueling the demand for homes. However, there are some concerns about the sustainability of this growth. As interest rates start to rise, the cost of borrowing will increase, making it harder for people to purchase homes. The rise in construction costs is also a concern, as it will make it harder for developers to build new homes at affordable prices. Additionally, the current supply shortage in the market has led to bidding wars and high home prices, making it harder for first-time buyers to enter the market. Investment potential. Now, let's look at the investment potential of real estate in 2023. Despite the concerns about the sustainability of the growth in the real estate market, there are still many reasons to consider real estate as a good investment option. Real estate provides a stable long-term investment option that can provide steady returns over time. One of the main advantages of real estate is the ability to generate passive income through rental properties. As the demand for rental properties continues to increase, rental income has the potential to provide a stable stream of income for investors. Real estate also provides the opportunity for capital appreciation.